All right. So we're going to go on to the next heat. So now we're going to be having PAPS and CAPS going head to head here. So the first presentation is Dr. Yujie Ma, and it's CAMK2G promotes neuronal differentiation and inhibits migration in neuroblastoma. And Yujie comes from Children's Hospital of Fudan University in China.
Thank you for a very kind introduction. I'd like to take this opportunity to present our work of CAMK2G promote neuronal differentiation and inhibits migration in neuroblastoma. Neuroblastoma is the most common extracranial solid tumor of childhood, arising from aberrant differentiation of sympathoadrenal cells in neurocrest. Retinoic acid is used to induce differentiation in treatment of high-risk neuroblastoma. However, its efficacy varied in patients due to the highly heterogeneity of this disease. Therefore, identifying the novel differentiation mechanism is of great importance to develop effective therapy. Our previous publication in Cancer Cell has identified PCP4 as one of the differentiation markers of neuroblastoma tumor cells. So, in this study, we aim to explore the underlying mechanism in order to find better treatment options for patients. Functionally, PCP4 modulates the rate of calcium binding to calmodulin, which is a critical step in activating calmodulin-dependent kinase. Here, we verified in neuroblastoma the binding of PCP4 with calmodulin by co-immunoprecipitation, and using mass spectrometry, we identified a target kinase of calmodulin, CAMK2G. CAMK2G is a member of the serine threonine protein kinase family. It plays an important role in neuronal development and synaptic plasticity, which is similar to that of PCP4, but its function in neuroblastoma has been largely uncharacterized. When it is activated by calmodulin, it gets autophosphorylated at the site of threonine 287. Here, we show that PCP4 overexpression upregulated the threonine 287 phosphorylation of CAMK2G in neuroblastoma cells. These results lead us to hypothesize that PCP4 may affect neuroblastoma differentiation by activating CAMK2G. So next, we investigate the clinical relevance of CAMK2G expression with the help of R2 platform. We found that low CAMK2G mRNA expression was associated with worse overall and event-free survival, advanced INSS stages, and unfavorable histology, as well as McN amplified status, high risk, and tumor progression. These results indicated the tumor suppressor role of CAMK2G in neuroblastoma tumorigenesis. To explore the function of CAMK2G in neuroblastoma, we knocked down CAMK2G in SKNSH cells, and we observed inhibited neurite outgrowth even under the induction of retinoic acid. And the expression of neuronal differentiation markers were also downregulated following CAMK2G knockdown. These changes were further verified transcriptionally by RNA sequencing. GO enrichment analysis conducted in the downregulated genes show that enriched terms were related to neuronal differentiation, such as synaptic signaling, plasma membrane, and ion channel activity. Knockdown of CAMK2G also promotes migration and invasion of neuroblastoma cells, as shown by transwell assays. And KEGG analysis in upregulated genes identified enriched pathways mainly associated with tumor migration and invasion, such as extracellular matrix receptor interaction, focal adhesion, and the regulation of actin cytoskeleton. So, in conclusion, in this study, we found CAMK2G expression is associated with favorable clinical features. We highlighted the essential role of CAMK2G in promoting neuronal differentiation and inhibiting migration in neuroblastoma. Future studies are needed to look for oncoproteins which are upregulated, activated, or blocked from degradation in CAMK2G low-expressed neuroblastoma tumors, so that we can put up with novel therapeutic strategies. Thank you for your attention. I'd like to take any questions.
Perfect. Thank you so much for the paper, and thanks for joining us. What time is it there right now?
It's in the evening, 10 o'clock.
Thank you. Meera, do you want to introduce Dr. Brown?
Yeah, so we're excited to have Dr. Erin Brown join us. She's an associate professor of surgery at UC Davis and does both clinical and research focused on neuroblastoma.
Hi, everybody. How are you? Great presentation, Dr. Ma. Thank you. My question for you is, how universal is this downregulation of CAMK2G across neuroblastoma cells? As you mentioned, it's really heterogeneous, and so that's a problem when developing these targeted therapies. So how are you seeing this across different neuroblastoma cell lines?
Oh, well, we test the expression of CAMK2G in multiple neuroblastoma cell lines, and it's expressed low in the SK and SH cells. That's why we overexpress the CAMK2G in this cell line, and in other cell lines such as BE2, SK and S, it is highly expressed. But in these cell lines were MYC and amplified cell lines, and during the study we found the CAMK2G, its function is not that strong to overcome the oncogene function of MYC-N. CAMK2G didn't regulate the neuronal differentiation in these cell lines, so I think this. Sorry.
That's okay. Keep going.
Go, you finish.
It's hard to speak in English. I think this mechanism is not universal for all the neuroblastoma cell line and patients. It can only be explained in MYC non-amplified cell lines and the corresponding patients. Thank you.
Dr. Ma, thank you so much.
Very well presented. Thank you.
Beautiful paper, beautiful presentation. I see why they chose your paper. So thanks for the presentation. Just stick around, and if there's any questions, we'll send them to you.